Do you know there's a website out there that can actually pay you real money, sometimes up to about $100 or even more, just by reviewing softwares you already use? No selling, no advertisement, no work task. If you're someone who actually use softwares like Canva, ChatGPT, Notion, Fiverr, whatever software at all, then this video is going to be putting some money in your pocket, because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys this 100% legit website where you can actually go to right now to start reviewing the softwares to get paid. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get started. So the name of this website is g2.com, and G2 is one of the largest software review platforms in the entire globe. This is actually a platform where a whole lot of businesses and companies go to anytime they're looking for softwares or tools they can use for their activities. Now, software companies do not want fake reviews. You need to understand this. Instead, they want real feedback. They want you to tell them the real thing about their softwares. They're looking for people they can actually trust. So instead of you coming to g2.com to just, give guesses, no, you do not want to do that. So you need to understand that this software company sponsor reviews on g2.com, and then G2 actually pays you for giving a very honest review about those softwares. Now, let me be very clear about the payment, because this part actually matters a whole lot. Now, G2 does not send you money directly to the bank. Instead, G2 rewards you using digital gift cards. Now, they are not fake points. When you actually start getting points on the platform, these points are not fake. Instead, you can convert these points into real gift cards like Amazon gift cards, Visa virtual cards that actually, have a whole lot of monetary value. So in case you actually want to sell this card, in case you don't want to use it, you can as well sell it on several platforms out there and then get the money. And now we're talking about nothing less than about $10, we're talking about $50, and a whole lot of options that G2 can actually pay you through. So if you want, you can use these gift cards to buy items online, pay for subscriptions, or even cover expenses you would normally pay for in cash. So while it's not a bank transfer directly, the value is still very, very real. Now, most review pays from about $10 to about $50 depending on the campaign and depending on the review you actually opt in for. If you've used multiple tools, you can even earn a whole lot. In case you've used so many softwares like, Canva, ClickUp, Notion, whatever software you can think of, just come here to g2.com, type in the software name, just type it in, and then click on the software itself. Once you've seen the particular software, and then from there you just want to review, and you can do this for as many softwares you want. Okay, so once you do this, you can get a whole lot of gift cards simultaneously. You're getting a whole lot of money. So to simply get started, just go to your web browser and type in g2.com, and once you're here in g2.com, all you simply want to do is to sign up. You want to create an account by clicking on join or login over here. And now once you click on join or login over here, you can just click on create an account, or you can simply continue with your LinkedIn account or your Google account. And then once you click on either of them, automatically your information is going to be synced with g2.com, making the sign up process faster. And once you finally logged in, all you have to do now is to scroll to the bottom where you have search software, and then you want to type in the software you want to drop a review for. So for example, let's say I want to drop a review for ChatGPT, which is actually trending. So I'm going to type in ChatGPT over here. And then as you guys can see, we have the ChatGPT itself over here. So you want to click on it over here. And then after clicking on it, you want to scroll down to where you have leave a review. So as you guys can see, we have leave a review over here. So you want to click on leave a review. Good. So now once you click on leave a review, as you guys can see, you're going to have three major options. We have the voice review, we have the chat review, and then we have the form review. So you want to select based on the one you're okay with. If you're okay with using your voice to drop a review, then go for your voice. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and then you also want to select the language in which you're going to be using the voice itself for. And then if you don't want the voice, you want a chat, then you want to go for the chat option, and then you want to use your language as well. And if you're not comfortable with either the voice or the chat, then you can opt in for the form option. With this form option, they're going to be dropping questions for you, and then all you have to do is to answer the question itself. Okay, so let's say it's going to be form. You want to click on start review over here, and then after you click on start review, it's going to ask you questions just to verify that yes, you are a real person. If you guys remember, from the start of this video, I made mention about something that softwares want to ensure that you are a real person before you actually review. Okay, so part of the ways they are gonna, ensure that yes, you're actually a real person is by verifying with either your LinkedIn profile or by dropping your company name and email address, or you uploading a screenshot of you using that particular software. So for example, we're going for ChatGPT. So all you have to do is to log into ChatGPT, for example. So type in ChatGPT, and then once you're here in ChatGPT, you want to screenshot your screen itself so as to show them that yes, you are a real person. So I'm going to do, I'm going to screenshot my screen and then come back here as well and then click on upload a screenshot of your software. But like I said, it all depends on the option you're comfortable here with for verifying that yes, you're a real person. So if you're going for the screenshot, you just want to click on upload over here, and then you want to drop in the screenshot itself. Okay, then after dropping the screenshot itself, you want to click on upload image over here. And then once you're done with this, you're going to be taken to the next area, which is where you're going to start reviewing through the form. And as you guys can see, this is the area where we have the form itself, starting from the product rating to about the product itself, then about you yourself, about your organization, if you actually have an organization. And if you don't, you're just going to be going for the option of you're just an individual. And finally, the feature ranking itself. Okay, so this is how it works. All you have to do is to select, rate it accordingly in terms of from 0 to 10. As you guys can see, how likely is it that you're going to recommend ChatGPT to a friend or colleague? All you have to do is to select something you're very, very, honest about, and then you want to type in all the descriptions, based on what you're selecting. And then after you're done with this, you move through all the options for the form itself. And once you're finally done, your review is going to be dropped and it's going to be public. And at the same time, it's going to be sent to the companies itself. And finally, as time goes on, after it's been reviewed and they're actually okay with your review itself, they're going to be gifting you the gift card like I made mention of. And once they go through your review and they're very convenient with it, they are going to be sending you the gift card itself. And this is the area where you would be accessing the gift card as well. Now, one thing you need to understand for you not to get rejected, that is for your review not to be rejected, is you want to ensure that whatever review you drop in is very honest. You don't want to guess in your reviews. You don't want to just select things random. You want to be completely honest about all what you're going to be selecting and all what you're going to be saying in the review itself. Now, this is actually a platform that is perfect for students, freelancers, business owners, and professionals. Now, in case you want more real high quality ways to earn money online, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to drop a like as well, and also share this video with your friends and family members. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.